Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to delete repository files in GitHub. As a first step, open the repository page from which you want to delete files. Then open the file you want to delete. After opening the file you want to delete, click the three-dot button in the upper right corner. Then, select Delete File. Finally, click the Commit Changes button in the upper right corner to save the changes. Then, click the Commit Changes button again. As you can see, we have successfully deleted a repository file. If you want to delete the entire repository, open the Settings tab on the repository page. Scroll all the way down the page and click the Delete this repository button. Then click I want to delete this repository. It says that everything in the repository will be deleted and this action is irreversible. If you agree, click I have read and understand these effects. In this step, copy the text between the two quotation marks and paste it into the empty space. Then click the Delete this repository button. In the final step, click Verify via email. Then paste the verification code sent to your email into the space provided and click the Verify button. As you can see, the repository has been completely deleted. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to delete repository files in GitHub was helpful. If you wish, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.